Hello, welcome back. This is our last exam style example on compounding. So let's look at how to go by this problem. The notice was in a car magazine, and this is the notice. Most cars lose more than half of their value in the first 3 years. Okay, now there's a problem. Paul bought a new car. The value of the car was £15,000. In the first year, the value of the car depreciated by 23%. After the first year, the value of the car depreciated by 18% each year. Work out if Paul's car lost more than half of its value by the end of the 3 years. So let's start looking at it year after year. So year 1, if the car is going to lose 23% of its value, so it's a reduction. So multiply is 100 minus 23, 77%. Change it to a multiplier is this. So let's see what happens in the first year. Okay, so that's what will happen in the first year. Also, what happens in the second year? In the second year, the car is going to lose 18% of its value. So also 100 minus 18 is 82%, divided by 100, that gives us 0.82. Also, let's look at what happens in the third year. Also 18% reduction of its value. So the same principle, when you work it out, multiply is also 0.82. So you have 3 multipliers. Now this is the original value, 15,000. If you multiply 15,000 by all the multipliers, remember this is double, so we can just use 1 and square it. So you have 15,000 times the first year multiplier times the second and third year multipliers. So that's what we have square on this one. When you work it out, this is the amount that you have. At the end of the third year, the value will be 766,022p. So if the car is 15,000, half of that is 7,500. So we realize that at the end of the third year, this amount is bigger than 7,500. So the answer is no. Paul's car has not lost half of its value because 7,766 pounds 22p is more than 7,500, which is half of the price. So the answer is no. So that brings us to the end of compound percentage. In our next lesson, we'll be talking about multiplicative reasoning, using percentages, how to use non-calculative, how to work out reverse percentage, normal percentage, percentage change, all the percentages, even compound percentages, without using calculator. Multiplicative reasoning, that's what we're going to talk about next lesson. Thanks for watching, and please share with your friends.